How to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed easy and fast. Hello guys, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily. First thing you have to do is go to the settings on your phone and then scroll down and go to this option. It's called apps. As you can see on this option you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. So all what you have to do is wait a few seconds right here, then scroll down until you find the Instagram app, and here is it. If you didn't find it, just go to the search bar here in the top and search for it, then click on it and go to the storage, click on clear data and then click on force stop and then go to the open by default option and make sure that this option here is always allow. And then all what you have to do now is simple. Just restart your phone or check for the new update here on Play Store if there is a new one updated, and then reopen Instagram and the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. Thank you so much. See you later.